nice. I don't know.
Smoke it.
Littering. I mean, when I throw it.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't want to just throw it over the edge of the building or something.
Don't think.
Get for littering.
As long as nobody's there.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move away from the spot.
B.
Yeah, slightly allergic.
That's not good.
I don't like them. What the fuck are they doing up here? Nothing up here for them.
I don't know.
No flowers are 5 stories up.
Good question.
Right.
MSU campus about to go down the spiral. And if we crash, we'll see it in HD.
That was good. That way you can really pick up the color of the blood.
Yeah. Here we go.
Brakes on the way down.
Yeah. I'm not about to go crazy here. Oh, prohibited. They're prohibited. So.
Prohibited? What do you
Yeah.
mean? Really? To do it or not to do it?
We could go down that one, where it doesn't say it's prohibited.
Oh, just down the regular little hills?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited. I want to do the right.
Which one?
Huh?
Go ahead. I don't know if it goes the same way, dude.
Which, whoa, this one?
Yeah.
This one lets right out down that way.
Okay.
So we basically take off and go straight that way.
Okay. Whatever you want to do.
What do you think? Think we should disobey the sign? Are they going to arrest us?
I guess.
Are they going to arrest us?
Yeah, it's on video. How do you feel, Jared? You feel accomplished?
I do. I'm actually right now. It's so cool. I'm just kidding.